Excited to share how we work closely with the Siemens team, especially Shekhar Suman, Mrityunjay, and Nitin to win this key client in the aerospace sector. And here is how we are helping them with innovative solutions, implementing Polarion, and to have a LabVIEW Polarion integration. So for those who don't know what Siemens Polarion is an application lifecycle management tool. Basically, it helps companies manage the complete lifecycle of the software, starting from requirements to design, coding, testing, and change management. And it is built for complex, high-stake systems like rockets, cars, medical devices, where traceability, collaboration, and compliance are critical. And tools like Siemens Polarion ALM, it enables engineers and managers to stay aligned, avoid costly mistakes, and meet the regulatory requirements with confidence. So how did we go about winning this deal? First, Siemens executive pointed to us that there is this Skyroot Aerospace, it's new and well-funded company, and they might need some innovative solutions. So at LGS, our sales team reached out to them. We had an introductory meeting, and in that we discussed their needs, and we came up to know that they needed a requirements management system which can have the DO 178C compliance. Then what we did is work with them closely to create a tailored demo where we showed them how they can create and link requirements to test cases, how they can manage the test results, source code management system, and how Polarion has the ability to handle the DO 178 regulations. Now, as part of their competitive evaluation, Skyroot compared our product against Codebeamer, Jira, IBM DOS, and our proof of concept that we created to them just tilted their decision in our favor, securing this partnership. For those who don't know, Skyroot Aerospace, it was established in 2018 by Pawan Kumar and Naga Bharat. Both of them worked at ISRO before. Skyroot's headquarters is in Hyderabad, India, and their vision is to become the leading commercial launch service provider. In fact, in 2022, November, they launched Vikram as a suborbital rocket, marking India's first private rocket launch. So challenge for Skyroot is that they want to comply with the DO 178C compliance and to integrate the test data from LabVIEW systems. Now, in aerospace, frameworks like DO 178C, they are safety standard that ensures that all software in aircraft or flight systems are tested, traceable, and verified. Now, for Skyroot Aerospace, they needed this ALM solution that could help them achieve this compliance. That's where Polarion and our solution came in. Now, LGS in partnership with Siemens, they are working to resolve all their challenges that they have. Let me tell about LabVIEW. What it is used in various industries, not just in aerospace. They are also used in automotive, energy for designing and automating test and measurement systems. Now, problem with LabVIEW is that the test results are in different formats: CSV, Excel, bin. What Skyroot resources were spending hours in manual entry of this data that they were collecting as a result of this different test results. So there is always this compliance risk and audit risk because of this, because there is no automatic traceability. And the manual records are, of course, error prone and time consuming. Because of this traceability gap, where they were not able to link back the test results to the corresponding requirement, the testing lifecycle was fragmented. There was no continuous data flow between the teams, and multiple tools had to be used to aggregate this test data. So this is where our solution comes in. We are working to have a unified test management system where all the test data, including the LabVIEW test data, regardless of the format, is centrally organized and tracked in Polarion. This will provide them with end-to-end traceability and automatically link every LabVIEW output to its corresponding requirement to ensure the 178 compliance. We are trying to work on automated workflows to eliminate any manual data entry for the LabVIEW test. Next. LGS is currently providing faster testing cycle time, reduced delays by this automated testing, and significantly accelerating the reporting part. We have basically improved their engineering efficiencies because their team can now, instead of doing this documentation and manual collection, can focus on high value tasks. So our solution has enhanced their traceability, their compliance, and easing the audit readiness for Skyroot. So there is an improved quality and accountability throughout the system. And the managers now have a dashboard where they can see how the test is progressing and what are the outcomes in Polarion. What is the strategic impact? By doing this, they are replacing their manual verification with the unified ALM platform. That means they have more efficient engineering processes and faster innovation cycles. And by leveraging Polarion, which is now kind of a backbone for Skyroot, now they have end-to-end digital threat and their 178 compliance traceability. Now, what LGS is doing is that its agility to rapidly customize the product based on the requirements. And we are helping them support and develop the scalable, agile development in the regulated sector. For Siemens, they now have a happy customer in aerospace domain where they are able to demonstrate the power of their tool. For LGS, we have demonstrated our competence as a technology partner. And for Skyroot, they now have a stable and scalable system that can handle growth. So it's a win-win for everyone involved. With Skyroot solution is not a unique solution in a sense that it addresses a universal pain point in all regulated industries, automotive, medical, energy, oil and gas. So if there is a need for automated testing and strict traceability, our solution is addressing that. And companies in various domains that use LabVIEW and other testing frameworks who struggle with this linking, that's where our solution can shine. So we invite Siemens to continue this journey with LGS. Now, LGS is a Hyderabad-based IT consulting firm. We are Siemens channel partner and digital transformation company with over a decade of experience and 100 plus specialized resources in ALM, PLM, Mendix. In fact, we have done a lot of work for Mendix, for Dr. Reddy's lab, for ONGC company like Mangalore, a refinery and petrochemicals, where we are working on several projects with them, and to integrate AI/ML solutions around this, and for banks in Bahrain and other places. So I invite you all to engage with us, include us in your discussion with the customer from the start, leverage our experience in delivering these specialized solutions to complex problems, build POCs with us if necessary. And as I mentioned, that we need to close deals, high value deals. So involve us in the beginning to connect with the client, point us the potential customer, like Sanjeev pointed in the automotive OEM space where they might require solutions like this. It'll not only help grow our business, but it'll also help our customers achieve faster innovation and quality at lower cost. Thank you.